write down the sixth question. Yes, students. Once again, very good morning. Today I am going to teach you the time reversal test and factor reversal test in index number. So, what are these tests? So, first one is time reversal test and factor reversal test. These are two main important tests to check which formula is ideal. Okay, because we have five formulas. Which are those? Can you please repeat? One is Lasperus, Paste, Fishers, Dorbish Bowley, Marshall Edgeworth. Right? Correct? So, in this, which is good? We know that Fishers is a good one. Right? That's why we call it as a Fisher's ideal index number. Now the question is, who called that? Can we simply call? There should be some proof, correct? So in what mathematical way you are saying Fisher's is a ideal one? So on the basis of these two tests, okay, which are those? Time reversal test and factor reversal test. The question which you written now, it clearly says that, so you need to show Fisher's is a ideal index number. Okay, it is a Fisher's is a ideal by proving TRT or FRT. So in short form, this is called as TRT, that is time reversal test, and this is factor reversal test. So there should be formula, right? There is no need to worry about the derivation. So just you need to use the formula and prove Fisher's is the ideal one. So how to prove that? So we need to follow these formulas. So time reversal test, the formula is P01 into P10 is equal to 1. So what is the difference between P01 and P10? So what does this 0 indicates in this formula? Base year. Very good. Base year. What is 1? Current year. So what about this? This is first current year, then base year. Both are not same. Are understanding? P01 into P10 is equal to 1. This is time reversal test. So can you guess what is factor reversal test? Say reverse. Time reverse. Remember, time reverse. P01 into P10 is equal to 1. Can you guess what will be the factor reversal test? P01 into, very good, Q01, because it is a factor. So time does not change. Factor changes into 1. It should be equal to summation P1 Q1 is divided by P0 Q0, which is also equal to V01 value. Who ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಸರ್ ಇದು? Fishers. Okay, right? So this is proved by Fishers. Hence we say Fishers ideal index number. Clear? Now we have to use this formula and prove, okay, Fishers is a ideal index number. Shall we take up a problem? Okay, please help me to write the problem. Okay, the viewers should understand. So what is the first column? They are asking us to show whether Fisher's formula will satisfy TRT and FRT. Which formula they are asking? Fisher's. If they ask Lasperus formula we have to use. If they ask Marshall. But test formulas, I told you, no, TRT, P01 into P10 is equal to 1. Factor reversal test, P01 into Q01 into Q01 is equal to V01, V value. Correct? So we have to show now. Fine. So now this is the question. For this data, we are verifying whether the Fisher's formula satisfies both TRT and FRT. For this, we need to have the columns, normal columns. So what I do, I'm making this, minimizing it for my reference. Okay. For solution, these are the columns you will get. You can parallelly follow. First column, items. What is price? 2008 denoted as P0. Next, Q0. Next, sorry, this is P0, right? Because P1. Next, Q0. Next, Q1. What are the four columns? Normal columns will get? Come on. PQ, 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 and again PQ. How to write this? Number. Correct? Next, 1, 1. So I told you these numbers you need to remember. Correct? If you remember these two numbers, then we can write this. So please follow this and find out the last four columns. Okay. P1 Q0. P1 Q0. These two. Right. P1 Q0. The total of P1 Q0. 291. Okay. Next, 257. Next, 354. Very good. Next, 314. Anyhow, I'll write down P0 Q0. So all the totals are right. Everyone got the same? Done? Any doubt up to this? Clear? See, question is very clear. They are not asking us to find out the value of Lasperus or Paste or Fishers, Marshall, or even Darvish. Correct? They are asking us to prove whether the Fisher's index number formula proves TRT and FRT. So directly we need to go for the formula of TRT and FRT. I'll use next slide. First, time reversal test. Please stop writing. Now listen this, then you can write. Time reversal. Time reversal test. The formula is P01 into P10 is equal to 1. This is the formula, right? Please listen. Please listen. Stop writing, everyone. Listen, then we can see. Right. So this is the formula, everyone. Correct? So first step, consider, please listen, consider LHS. Consider LHS. What do you mean by LHS? Left hand side. RHS, right hand side. So this is left hand side. This is right hand side. Correct? So this part of the equation, this part of this equation is right hand side. This part of the equation is left hand side. Consider LHS. Andre idu matra consider madಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So that is P01 into P10. I considered. From LHS, I need to prove RHS. Right? Answer ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. Very simple. So LHS na consider. First equation ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, formula ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I written a formula. So I consider LHS, that is left hand side part. From this LHS, I need to get RHS. That is 1. Answer should be 1. So how to write this P01? Which formula are you going to use? In the question, what they asked? Fisher's, right? So P01, which formula we are going to use? Fisher's only. Correct. What is the formula of Fisher's? Square root of summation L into P ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. PQ summation PQ into summation PQ summation PQ into 100 ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay. So won't come 100. Please, this is, we are proving this, right? TRT. Which number, which two numbers I told you? 1000, 1101. So 1000, how to write? 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1. Over. This part, that is P01 part. Okay. P01 part is this. Any doubt up to this? Any doubt? P01 part is this. Now our job is to write down the other part, that is P10. Is it clear, everyone? Shall I go ahead? Okay. Into okay. I am writing which part now? P10. How to write this? Square root again summation PQ divided by summation PQ into summation PQ divided by summation PQ. Okay. Now, how to write this? Wherever, because we are changing, interchanging, wherever 1 is there, you need to write 0. Wherever 0 is there, you need to write 1. So, instead of 1, I am writing 0, 1, 1, 1. Similarly, in this 0, 0, 1, 0. Any doubt up to this? Any doubt? Shall I proceed? Now what? Substitution from the table. Which table? We have this table, right? From this table, okay, from this table, we are going to substitute the values of the last 4 columns in this formula. Shall we substitute? Can you please help me? What I do? I'll minimize this formula. Right. So, the values. Summation P1 Q naught 291 divided by P0 Q0 257. This is from the table, previous table. Summation P1 Q1 354 divided by 314. Please listen. Don't write anything. Please listen. I'll give you time to write down. Okay. Summation P0 Q1 314 divided by P1 Q1 354 into P0 Q0 257 291. Any doubt up to this? Right? Now, don't calculate by using calculator. I'll tell you why. Because we need to get 1. Correct? So, if you are not getting 1, something you did wrong. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. Okay? So, please, next step, common square root, because there are 2 square root with multiplication, I can take it up as a common square root. So, what happens this? 291, I am continuing this, 57 into 354 divided by 314 into, continuing, 314 divided by 354, okay, 354 into 257, then 2 91. Correct? Any doubt? Now, so it gets cancelled actually. Okay, 314, 314, 354, 354, 291, 291, 257, 257. Correct? Correct? So remaining is what? 0 Allah? 0. 0 Allah? 1. 5 by 5 what is the value? 0 Allah re. So ella cancel aita 1. Square root of 1 is what? 1. So now can I write this as a RHS? Because RHS is in the formula is 1. So can I write now LHS is equal to RHS? Hence it is proved. Clear? Up to this? Any doubt? Write down. So what we can write here? Hence Fisher's index number satisfies TRT. Okay, I'll take up next slide and start with factor reversal test. Factor reversal test. It is also called as FRT. Okay, what is the formula? P01 into Q01 is equal to summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0. Any doubt? Okay. First step, what is that? Consider LHS. So left hand side, what is that? P01 into Q01. Can you guess now which formula you're going to write this P01? Same, correct? Square root of summation PQ into summation PQ divided by summation PQ. Okay, so here 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is P01 formula. Any doubt in this? This is this part. Okay, P01 part. Now I need to write down Q01. Okay, I am writing Q01 now. Can you guess what is Q01? Instead of P, you are writing Q. Instead of Q, you are writing, everything remains same. Quantity index number Fishers, correct? So, summation QP divided by summation QP into summation QP divided by summation QP. So, here it is 100,000, 1101. Now, can you please help me to substitute the values from the previous table? Okay, summation P1 Q0 from the table. Can you please tell? 291 divided by 257 into 354 divided by 314. Now, please listen. There is a slight confusion maybe. Summation Q1 P0 is nothing but P0 Q1. Both are same. Q1 P0 is nothing but P0 Q1. So what is the total of Q1 P0 from the table? 314, 314. Next, P naught Q naught, that is Q naught P naught, 257 into Q1 P1, 354. The last one, Q naught P1 is nothing but P1 Q naught, 291. So common square root, next step, don't cancel anything. 291 divided by 257 into 354 divided by 314 into 314 divided by 257 into 354 divided by 291. Okay. Now, so whichever there is a possible to cancel, we can cancel. Okay. 291 get cancelled, 314 get cancelled. Any doubt up to this? Now, remaining part, I am writing here 354 divided by 257 into 354 divided by 257. So what is next step? Please listen. Square agatte. 2 into 2, what we can write? 2 square. 3 into 3, what we can write? 3 square. Correct? So 354 into 354, we can write it as 354 square. Similarly, 257 into 257, what we can write? 257 square. So what I can do? 354 divided by 257 whole square. Any doubt? Any doubt? Shall I proceed? What next? Please listen. Square root get cancel. What is the remaining? 354 divided by 257. No, there is no need to go for that. Okay, what we want from LHS? We want RHS. Correct. Now tell me, from the table you see, what is 354? P1 Q1. Can I write this as summation P1 Q1? 257. It should be P0 Q0. Okay, which is RHS. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Artha aita? Karthik? Understand? So, what is the meaning? Now, LHS is equal to RHS, and you should write down the conclusion as Fisher's index number satisfies even FRT. Simple. Done. Clear?